Hello and welcome to Thursday's workout. Here we got our warm-up. We're going to be going through one round of a single arm press, a single arm squat, and then 10 up downs. Okay, so you're going to do 5 left, 5 right, 5 left, 5 right, and then 10 up downs. We're going to go through one round of that. Then we're going to move on to the second round, 10 double dumbbell push press. So if you have 2 dumbbells, you're going to do 2. If you only have 1 dumbbell, then just hold both sides of that 1 dumbbell and use both arms, okay? If you only have a backpack or some other, like a water jug, use that as well, okay? Front squats and then jog or 1 minute of burpees. Oh, that'll get you warmed up, right? And then 2 rounds of mobility. So 10 hollow rocks, 10 slow arm haulers. We did the arm haulers last week. Okay, you can check out our YouTube page. If you need a refresher on those, youtube.com/mountainstrength, or watch the movement videos at the end here, okay? 6 alternator groiners with a twist, okay? So that means you're gonna go down really low towards the ground and then reach up to the sky. We do this in class all the time, okay? Next, let's get into our workout. And here's the workout. We have an AMRAP today, as many rounds as possible in 15 minutes, 10 shoulder to overhead. Now we have backpack here, but you can use dumbbells, kettlebells, barbell if you have it at home, water jug if you need to, okay? 10 backpack shoulder overheads, 20 front squats, and then a 200-meter weighted run, okay? Or 1 minute of weighted cardio, okay? So if you can't get out there and run with some weight, then you can just hold it and run in place. You can do jumping jacks, you can do some 1 minute of whatever you'd like to do for cardio, all right? If you're in one of the Zoom classes, then we'll tell you what to do, okay? Scores, rounds, and reps for the workout, okay? We do have a finisher today, so let's see what that is. And here's today's finisher. It's some more core work, what everybody needs to work on. 3 sets of 30-second hollow hold, okay? Immediately into a weighted backpack plank. Okay, so you're going to hold that plank, weighted plank, as long as you can, rest as needed, and then go back into the hollow hold. Okay, so 30 seconds of a hollow hold position. Now, if you need to, you can tuck those knees in, make it a little bit easier. Okay, and then flip over and do a plank, max plank, with some weight on your back. If you don't have that, then do a maximum of 1 to 2 minutes, max time of a plank, and go back. Okay. That's our finisher for today, and we will see you during the movement demos. Have a good one.